Welcome to Ucode. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to upload and download Excel files in Ucode. By the end of this video, we'll have a clear understanding of how to seamlessly import data from Excel into your tables and export data back to Excel. Let's get started. Before we dive into the process, let's take a look at the Excel file we'll be working with. The sheet contains data from a sports competition, with columns like athlete, age, country, year, sport type, gold medals, silver medals, bronze medals, and the total medal count. This structured data will be imported into our Ucode table. Now, let's move to the Ucode dashboard. Once we're on the Ucode dashboard, navigate to an already created table where we'll demonstrate the import process. As we can see, the table is currently empty. To import data from our Excel sheet, we need to create corresponding fields in the table. Let's go ahead and create these fields step by step. First will be athlete column, and add this as a text field. Second will be age column, create this as a number field. Third will be country column, and add this as another text field. Next will be year column, and set this up as a number field. After will come sport column, we can add this as a text field. After sport field will become medal types, which are gold medals, silver medals, and bronze medals. We can create each of these as separate number fields. Last will be total medal count, and add this as a number field as well. After creating all the necessary fields, we're ready to import data into our table. Let's proceed to the next step. To import our Excel data, follow these steps. First, navigate to the top right corner of the table header and click the three dots menu. Then next from the drop-down, select the Excel import option. This will open an upload dialog. From upload dialog, click the upload file button and select the Excel file we just reviewed, namely Olympic. Once the file is uploaded, a mapping screen will appear, where we link the columns from the Excel sheet to the fields in our Ucode table. For example, map the athlete column in the Excel sheet to the athlete field in the table. Similarly, map age to age, country to country, and so on for all columns, including the medal types and the total column. After mapping all the fields, click the upload button to import the data. Now, as we can see, all the rows from the Excel file have been successfully imported into our Ucode table. This concludes the import process. Now that we've imported the data, let's demonstrate how to download the table back as an Excel file. Once again, navigate to the three dots menu in the table header. Select the Excel download option. This will automatically download the table data in an XLSX file format, as we can see from browser download section. To verify the download, let's open the file in Google Sheets. Import the downloaded XLSX file. And as we can see, all the data from our table is present in the Excel sheet, formatted correctly. This ensures that the export function works flawlessly, and that's it. In this video, we've learned how to 1. Prepare a table in Ucode with fields corresponding to an Excel sheet. 2. Import data from an Excel file into the Ucode table. 3. Download table data back into an Excel file and verify its accuracy. This functionality makes it easy to manage large datasets and ensures seamless integration between Ucode and Excel. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or reach out to our support team at chatwoot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more Ucode tutorials. See you in the next one.